Welcome to HVAC Master Technologies. In this enlightening session, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the dry mode button on your air conditioner remote control and guide you on how to use it effectively. A common misconception is that the dry mode button is a mere adornment on your remote, but it holds the key to achieving a more comfortable indoor environment. Unlike cooling mode, which primarily lowers the temperature, dry mode takes a different approach. It focuses on removing excess humidity from your surroundings while maintaining a comfortable temperature. This mode is particularly useful in tropical or rainy environments where the air can be humid, making your home feel warmer than it actually is. Activating dry mode is a breeze. Look for the option on your remote control and select it. Then you can adjust the fan speed and temperature settings to your liking. This simple action could dramatically change your indoor environment. Now you may wonder, why is dry mode so important? The answer lies in its ability to combat high humidity levels. High humidity can lead to a host of complications such as mold growth and general discomfort. By reducing this excess moisture, dry mode helps to keep your home dry and comfortable. It's like having a personal weather control system right at your fingertips. Imagine walking into a space that has balanced humidity. It's not too dry to cause skin irritation and not too moist to encourage mold growth. It's just right, promoting better air quality and comfort. That's the beauty of understanding and using the dry mode on your air conditioner. If you need professional air conditioner servicing, installation, or free brand recommendations, don't hesitate to get in touch with HVAC Master Technologies. We're here to assist you with all your air conditioning needs. And here's a treat for you. Comment below with the brand of your air conditioner, and in our next video, we'll share a secret tip about it to enhance your user experience. That's all for today. Remember, a well-functioning air conditioner is your best ally in achieving a comfortable home environment. So understand your air conditioner, use its features wisely, and enjoy the comfort it brings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Master Technologies for more air conditioning insights. Until next time, stay cool and comfortable.